Bonjour, bonsoir. I don't know from wherever you're watching me. Good evening. My name is Princio, and I'm here to make the WhatsApp, videos I said I was going to drop on the YouTube for those who want to write A1 exam. So, firstly, I'm going to give you a summary of what an A1 student should be able to do, so you have it in mind as you prepare, and then I'll give you a few tips on what the nature of questions to expect for A1 student preparing to write TEF. Firstly, an A1 student should be able to talk about the following topics. So under this, I have a lot of things. I've listed a lot of things. La première chose, the first thing, is votre vie personnelle. You can be able to talk about your life. Like, je m'appelle Prince Will, je suis étudiant, je suis professeur, j'habite Enugu, je travaille, j'aime le sport, j'ai des frères et des sœurs, j'aime en fait mon chien s'appelle Lucky, etc. So, you should be able to talk about your family, you should be able to talk about your leisure, qu'est-ce que vous aimez faire, could be the question. Like, j'aime le sport, j'aime la natation, j'aime la randonnée, etc. So you should be able to talk about your leisure. What do you do? J'aime étudier, I love to study. J'aime regarder des films, j'aime regarder en fait des documentaires. J'aime sortir, I love to go out, etc. So whatever your hobby should be, you should be able to talk about your hobby. You could use j'aime, j'adore, je déteste if you want to say you hate. Je déteste something, okay? So, les rêves, your dreams. You can say je rêve de devenir, je voudrais devenir, j'aimerais devenir. Devenir is the word to become, so je voudrais devenir, I would like to become, okay? Je veux devenir, I want to become. You can say à l'avenir, in future, à l'avenir, in future, je veux devenir, I want to become. Then you now say what you want to become, médecin. You don't have to say un médecin, je veux devenir médecin, je veux devenir professeur, not un professeur, non. Je veux devenir professeur, just like I can say je suis professeur, not je suis un professeur. So avoid that English interference. So the next one, you can talk about your studies. J'étudie, I'm studying, or j'ai étudié, I studied. J'étudie, j'ai étudié, and all that. So your preference, the things you like. La routine, about your routine. Qu'est-ce que tu fais tous les jours? Je me réveille à 8 heures, je travaille, je commence en fait à travailler à, say the time, et puis je finis de travailler à 8 heures, à 18 heures, désolé, à 18 heures sur votre routine. J'arrive au travail à 8h30. Nous partons en pause. We go on break. You can say je termine le travail. Terminé. Je termine le travail. I stop working. Je retourne à la maison. Je rentre chez moi. Je fais des achats. Je prends le dîner. Please don't fall into the temptation of saying je mange le dîner. Je prends, you take your breakfast, je prends le petit déjeuner, je prends le déjeuner, lunch, je prends le dîner, the dinner, all that. So, la description, you should be able to talk about descriptions too. Vous allez décrire votre ami, vous allez décrire votre maison, you can describe your friend, your neighbor, describe someone, you should be able to describe someone. So, these are the expectations. As you practice and have this in mind, décrire quelqu'un. What are the adjectives? Il est grand, il est petit. Don't say il est, what is this word? Court. Someone will be petit, okay? Not court. Il est petit, il est grand. Il est gros, fat, or gross, feminine. Il est génial, généreux, sympathique. Il est simple. Il est compliqué, complexe. Il est extroverti. Il est introverti. Introvert, extrovert. So these are a collection of things you're meant to see. And colors, blue, blanc, rouge. Of course, the front flag color. a marron. So you should be able to use colors with objects. And then when you're talking of shapes and form, ronde, okay, un table ronde, en fait, un table ronde, carré, etc. So shapes too, triangulaire, rectangulaire, carré, etc. Alors, the next thing, buying and selling. You should be able to buy and sell. So what about this? You can have combien ça coûte, how much is it, ça coûte combien. This could be a dialogue, it says ça coûte this. In this context, you could be asked, qu'est-ce que vous désirez? Qu'est-ce que vous voulez acheter? What do you want to buy? C'est je veux acheter, I want to buy. Je désire, I desire. Même dans le contexte d'un restaurant, even in a context of restaurant, you could equally have this. So what do you want to buy? Qu'est-ce que vous désirez? You're going to say. So this and more of what I'll send you. I will send you more videos on what a A1 student should be able to handle. So you should be able, one, to talk about your family, your leisure, dreams, studies, routine, describe, colors, and do basic buying and selling. Thank you for watching these videos, and please subscribe to this YouTube channel and share to your friends too. I'm making much more videos on how you could tackle your A1 exam. This is just the first of it, so more are coming. Thank you for watching. Au revoir.